Good morning, everybody. This is Dave Fry, ETF Digest with an ETF in focus. Yesterday, we looked at the troubled spot of Thailand, which is still roiling today. Today, it's Turkey. And in Turkey, we're looking at this daily chart, and of course, it has the following similar technical indicators we looked at yesterday. This is a daily RSI, and you can see it's below 30 at 29, meaning obviously it's probably oversold. And of course, you can see it's in free fall here. But note here, the beginnings of a low as marked by our proprietary indicator on calling highs lows in typical situations. This is not a typical situation, of course, as the Turkish military has now decided that it would ratchet up their intervention capabilities as scandals, corruption scandals, have plagued the country over the last couple of weeks. Looking back, you can see going back as far as October of 2013 in this daily chart, we did hit an HI high on the proprietary indicator there of our high lows, and of course we did top out right about there, came down, hit a low where we would have closed had we been short, and you can see we had a counter trend rally of some proportion that took place into November, late November. But since then, it's been all downhill as we finally have had this corruption scandal break, and from the highs we have fallen about 25%. You always want to find where the bottom might be in these types of scandals, and you might look to places like Egypt, for example, which has gone through similar kinds of upheavals, to see where trends might change and bottoms discovered. Looking at it from a weekly weekly chart view, we see similar things but not as severe, going all the way back to a similar period back into May of 2013. You can see we had that sharp decline, and then it's been mostly downhill all the way since, with the exception of this brief rally, which we saw reflected also on the daily charts. But on the weekly charts, we see a break of the trend right around this area here in December of this month, and we have fallen since then. But clearly the daily charts, when you're in this kind of a mess and controversy, you have to be quick, and so the daily charts are generally more useful. If you're interested in this or other ETFs we cover, take a free trial at the etfdigest.com. Have a great day and a good Friday.